In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a shortcut in Google Drive. This is a simple process that can help streamline your work and keep your files organized. Whether you frequently need quick access to certain files or want to make collaboration more efficient, adding shortcuts in Google Drive can be an excellent way to enhance your productivity. Let's get started by heading over to your Google Drive. If you're not already familiar, Google Drive is an immensely useful tool for storing and accessing files anywhere, anytime. Simply head over to the home page by entering the URL in your browser or clicking on the Drive link if you're using Gmail or any other Google service where the Drive icon is visible. Once you're on the Google Drive homepage, you'll be ready to follow along with these steps. First, you're going to need to select the file or folder to which you want to create a shortcut. On the Google Drive homepage, navigate your cursor to the desired file, right-click on it to open a menu of options. If you're on a touch device, this is usually done by tapping and holding. Once the menu appears, ensure not to rush through the options because you might miss what you're looking for. The next step involves organizing this particular file. In the options menu, hover over the Organize section. Do not click just yet, you'll see a variety of paths pop up designed to help you categorize your drive's contents. Here, we're particularly interested in the section that will lead us to create a shortcut. Moving on, look for the option that says Add Shortcut. Click on it and this will bring up a new window. This part is crucial because it's where you decide exactly where you want that shortcut placed. Google Drive often suggests locations for your shortcuts based on your previous activity. Now you have several choices. You can select from the suggested locations if any of those are convenient for you. If you're looking for speed and efficiency, this option might just hit the mark. Otherwise, you might want to add it to your starred items. The starred section is useful for tracking your most important files easily. Adding a shortcut here makes it a breeze to access your key documents without too much digging. Alternatively, if neither of those options suits your needs, you can choose all locations. This gives you the flexibility to select precisely where within your Drive hierarchy you want the shortcut to be, tailoring the organization to your personal workflow or project requirements. After clicking your desired location, whether suggested, starred, or from all locations, your shortcut will be efficiently placed. It's as simple as that. Using shortcuts in Google Drive is an easy but powerful way to keep everything at your fingertips, making your work in the cloud more streamlined and effective. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.